Check out how my client go from this to this and how she got the hair body and leaven it. Okay, my client is natural with color, so after proper shampoo and condition, you then want to blow dry her straight, then analyze her hair to get it prepared for the silk and press along with the haircut. So after the blowout, went in to do the silk and press application. As you can see, her ends are really bad. And again, being natural, you need to let her hair, you need to blow dry her hair out to get the proper cut. I'm about to do a layer bob. As you can see, I went in and gave her a layered bob cut, and it already looked healthier. Again, being natural, you still have to keep your ends trimmed or have a proper cut. Okay, once I did the curler application, I went in to give her a hair body wrap. After the body wrap, I let the hair cool off and take the saran wrap off, and this is the finished look. As you can see, the layers are actually cut. The hair is cut into layers, so it will be easy for her to maintain, just to throw some big curls in it, and it will give her that layer look. And again, she's natural with color. And this is the finished look, and yes, she's loving it.